So now see, we are going to move slowly into how to store data in the table. So see here, you have a data, you have this table data, and you want to import this data into MATLAB and store it as a table. So how to do that? You see here, you have in the MATLAB, you have a command called as an import tool. So in that, you have to select the option table and load this Excel. So if you load this Excel, it will be automatically having, it will be, you can visibly see that immediately in your MATLAB screen, and you can easily start crossing the elements. Or otherwise, you can, if you, this is used without using any MATLAB command, okay? If you want to use a MATLAB command, then you have this command called read table. To give the read table command, the EPL will be the complete table, which will be having the details of the individual team. So either two ways are there. Either you can directly use the import tool option to import an Excel file as a table, or you can use the code read table. You can use the read table function and you can load the Excel sheet. And this Excel sheet will be found in the immediate working folder. Otherwise, you can use the complete path so that wherever the Excel sheet is, you can use the complete path. It will be loaded into the MATLAB as an Excel file. Okay, so this is how you the two methods of importing data in table. Now I think we will go into the coding part. Yes. So see here, we are going to do the task. Use the read table function to import the data from the file into the MATLAB. So we are going to learn how to use the read table function to import the data. So same way here, we have this EPL results.csv file, and we are going to import the CSV file into the MATLAB, the variable EPL. So I'm going to write EPL equal to, see the command, read table of, and you have to give the EPL results.csv. I hope this is correct. Warning is fine, you don't have an error, and you see that you have this table loaded in the EPL. It's a 20 cross 11 table. It has 20 rows and 11 columns. The 20 rows are for the 20 team names. You can see the 20 team names here, and the 11 columns are going to the properties. I told you, right? Home win, home draw, home loss, home goals for and home goals against, away win, away draw, away losses, away goals for and away goals against. So it is going to have 20 rows and 11 columns under the variable EPL. Okay, that is going to be, so we have understood how to load data into the MATLAB. So if this, wherever you want, you can use this EPL command and extract the data. Okay, so see here, if I use EPL dot team, I'm using display. Okay, I'm using the display command, disp of EPL dot team. So I will see what is getting displayed. You see here, after this table, you get all the team names getting displayed. Arsenal, Aston Villa, Bournemouth, Chelsea, Crystal Palace, Man United, Manchester City. So it is just like how you use the dot operator. So if you keep EPL dot, all the parameters will come. See here, team, home win, home draw, everything will come. You can choose and you can see what you can, whatever variable you want to use, you can choose this using the dot operator. Okay, so once you load the data into MATLAB, then processing the data becomes very, very simple. Just by using the dot operator, you can simply carry out any processing for the particular data. It's going to be very